Yes, you can hear me. Cheers, everybody. Good morning. All right, I've already been up for the last little bit. Oh, that was a good clap. And the markets, like a roller coaster, baby. The futures this morning were in the negative, a little mixed. Then we've had this little spike. I suspect we're going to be this way until 9:30. It's just like this right now. So, all I can say, intraday traders are going to have a great day. So this show is edutainment. It is for your educational, entertainment purposes, married into one, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, go talk to them. But we're going to take a first look at these companies that Warren Buffett has said. All right, with that said, another sip of coffee, and we get started. Hi, social media world. My name's Alfred Gordon-Lew. This is 8 at 8, and 8 minutes starts right now. We are looking at the S&P 500, these 20 companies called TikTok 20 that Warren Buffett told us to do. Specifically today, we're looking at this one called CAT. They're part of the sector industrials, ticker XLI. I picked this one because it's the only industrial real company that I know. There's other couple chemical companies, but this one's easy to understand, and the ticker symbol is CAT, which is the name of my daughter. So let's do this. This is investor relation page. You got to go to it if you're an investor to see what they say, but you came here for the charts. So with that said, let's take a look for you positional traders. Is this a good stock to hold? Have you been holding it? Do you let it go? Do you get in and out? So this is for people that are into the buy and hold. If you are, this is the great time to dollar cost average, as it is going down, but it has been going down since last year, September. You can see there. But I wanted to point out this, that the price move has gone up as of March. Look at that month. Why? I think, this is me, that unfortunately with the war, there's been a lot of pledges to rebuild Ukraine, rebuild some of the areas that have been war torn. So that just means this industrial sector is kind of going up, and specifically this company is taking advantage of the disastrous time. But that's just business. That's the way it goes. Cities need to be rebuilt, and I think this is this massive bar that you see. So this is kind of like swing trading news, but that I think is what's moved the stock price up significantly. But the sellers are still in control right now, and the mood is still kind of negative or down. People are fearful. So as you can see, it's still through our stochastics. It is still in the mid-range, but a little trending up, but a little weaker than normal. So let's talk about swing trading, because you just heard news that's affected for the month. So let's see what it looks like on a swing trading chart. And this is, we're using the daily, and we're looking at the Bollinger Bands to see how much it has swung. So let's see this. Look, this is the first month that we looked. This is the second month. It was just ticking up here. And look at the width of this band. As you can see, it is ginormous, as it had a tremendous run up. So let's get in a little bit closer here. That's probably good. So since last month, it is hugging that top of the Bollinger Band. It's widened a bit. This is consolidation. That means it's going to make a move. It made a move down, trying to find a floor. So now it is, again, trying to find a bottom after this massive run. So I would say that people that are swing trading have an opportunity. Oh, where are all my circles here? To get in right here as it touches the bottom. It's hugging the bottom of the Bollinger Band. And if I have some other things to point out, this RSI, boom, the strength of this is trending up. And let's take a look at the last indicator here. Unfortunately, our MACD, our divergence, oh no, that's the red one. There you go. Is clearly sellers are kind of in control, and that gap between these, and I want to see if I can zoom in here. there you go. As you see, that moving average line, the green one, is broken down below. So it's broken down below that purple line. And as you can see, behind my name here, that gap is still big and it's kind of wearing. You want to see those lines kind of cross up for our wonderful MACD to say, hey, that it's going to go back up again. That's ideally what you want. You want that green line to go above the purple. It's in the positary, so it's got some strength to it as well. So it's middle of the pack. It's going to probably ride that consolidation and then break out somewhere. Which direction? I don't know. The general trend is up, though, just to let you guys know. So with that said, that's what I see on swing trading. Let's see what could move the markets, specifically their earnings call, right? So where's my magic finger? Right there. Magic finger, last time they met was January 28th. We were expecting in the street 2.26. They did 2.69. Great upside surprise. The next time they're going to meet is at the end of this month. We're expecting 2.6. I'm going to say that they're going to post something a little higher as well. So that is when they're going to meet. April 28th is a great date to remember for you swing trader. That's only about 2-3 weeks out. You can lead up to it and knowing that they're going to have some great kind of news. So let's talk about what else is going to move stock markets today. It's the end of the week. 83 earnings, 14 stock splits, 9 IPOs, 69 economic events. Out of those 69 events, let's see the ones that are going to move us today. In the news today, right here, as you can see, wholesale sales. We're talking about corn output. We're talking about oranges, and cotton. We're talking a lot of commodities that are moving. But I guess big trucks need to move this kind of stuff. It is kind of getting around to spring harvest season, so I could see that being a great kind of tailwind pushing us up. But also down here, so all that was at 2 or 4 o'clock at the end of the day. You could see beef, also corn, wheat as well. So commodity prices have been kind of going nuts recently. I think those are the things that are going to move the needle today, and that could potentially move a Caterpillar up. As demand is going well. I think the markets could push that up. So a lot of people are betting on this right now. They're saying Caterpillar, Tesla, Rivian, those are kind of like the big trends, are swing. Analysts trying to figure out if this is a buy or stock. You can look at all these analyst ratings. They put a bottom on it, a buy hold. So let's just move to our own analysis, moving into our intraday charts. Here is our intraday chart. We're going to go high-low. Again, Caterpillar is trying to find a bottom. So we're going to take the retracements from their highs to their lows and see where it's rested. I just dropped it like it's hot. Let's zoom in here because I only got 1 minute to take a look. As you can see, it's at the mid to bottom. It's going to hit that 50 again. It's testing this, breaking to the upside potential. Does it have the momentum to do it? Does it have the volume? Very little volume. So it's not a strong breakout, but you can see this general tick up there, and it's going to break through. It's broken through the 61.8, which is a significant one. So let's shrink that down. Let's zoom in here a little bit better. Perfect. So today's floor, I would say a strong floor at 214.21, and look at that. That's a $3 swing on this trade. Right now, we're going to retest those levels at 217. I think it's going to bounce off this floor at 216. Going to test 217.91. Whoa! Oh, like that. Man, that was quick. All right, everybody. So we're swinging onto the upside potential today for CAT. I think as it's finding the floor, it's bouncing off that floor. So I would say you have a strong floor. Definitely. 214. Boom. It's swinging up to 217 right now. Does it have enough momentum, enough volume to tick up there? It's a pretty light volume, but I think it's going to slowly tick up. Not have those exponential growths, but yeah. You can't even see what I'm seeing. And here we go. Let's see if we can put that up there again for a little more intraday goodness. That is not the intraday chart. That, let's see if I can get, is, nope. Yep. Well, so let's zoom in here. Ooh, that's, man. Oof, that looks, I don't know if you can see that. That's, I don't know if I like that. Anyways, I wish I could zoom in better. Oh well. Man, that's small. I can't even read that from here. All right, I don't know if this is working. 44 seconds. Let's see. Oh, that's getting better. There you go. In this wonderful channel here, I would definitely say there is a floor. Oh, look, we got another candle here. Let's just call 216 as your floor today. It's going to retest 217, potentially 218. That's my prediction for today. Slowly tick it up there. By the end of the day, it could test up to 218. So, boom, right there. In that channel right now, consolidating, it's going to break out. Which direction? You got to do your own research and check it out. Happy trading.